Prepare all the necessary repair tools and the parts that need to be replaced for the repair. Take off the hook. Remove one of the legs. Remove the screws and video cable, then take out the cable reel. Remove the connector and then peel off the black tape. Remove the white piece. Remove the 2 screws, then take off the resistor. Remove the 4 screws, separate the cable reel. Remove 4 screws from the slip ring. Then remove the screws on the cover and take out the slip ring. Install the adapter and tighten the screws. Align the screw holes and tighten the 4 small screws. Attach the slip ring to the cable reel. Align the screw holes and secure 1 screw first. Apply thread glue to the screws, then secure the remaining screws. Insert the 2 connecting rods. Install the resistor and tighten the screws. Wrap black tape around the connector. Add a drop of glue at the end to hold it in place. Attach the white piece. Install the cable reel and align it with the notch. Insert the washer and tighten the screws. Install the hook and tighten the screws. Attach the leg frame and tighten the screws.